Today is the 1-year moment that we recognize. It's a somber day. A year ago, on March 10th, Michigan detected our first cases of COVID-19. The year since has been equal parts historic and heartbreaking, with our fair share of horrors and heroism. We've experienced a lot together: a recession, a flood, a racial reckoning, and an election. Each of these events alone would make for an extraordinary year. But these defining moments all happened against the omnipresent backdrop of a global pandemic that was sweeping the world. I'll never forget the night when I got the call that Michigan had identified our first cases of COVID-19. That was March 10th, 2020. We were voting in the presidential primary that day. The next day, on the 11th, the WHO declared it a global pandemic. By the 13th, it was declared a national American emergency. On the 23rd, I issued the Stay Home, Stay Safe order. On the 27th, the first federal relief package was passed. During this time, our hospitals were filling up and we were running out of PPE. There were also shortages of essential household supplies, lines at grocery stores, and confusion about how to stay safe from this invisible threat. A heavy silence set in all across Michigan and the United States. But we had a job to do. As every aspect of daily life changed, we acted quickly and decisively, followed the science, and listened to the experts to save lives. We had incredible leadership from our Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist and Michigan's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Janae Caldoun, to our team at MDHHS, to the local public health departments, to our hospital systems statewide, to all of the people who stayed on the front line. In the face of immense challenges, families, communities, and small businesses banded together, as they always have. Essential healthcare and frontline workers continued to do their work heroically, helping the rest of us keep our lights on, our fridges full, and our families healthy. Communities stepped up, and there were acts of heroic selflessness on every street. Even as a deadly virus was keeping us apart, we pulled together in remarkable ways. We have to remind ourselves, in times of darkness, the light we seek resides in one another. In Michigan, we show up for one another. When Ohio needed PPE, we got it for them. When California needed help fighting wildfires, we helped. When Wisconsin needed help to keep people safe, we helped there too. When neighbors, friends, or families need a hand, Michiganders always have one to give. It's who we are. We get through tough times together. And as I've said before, tough times don't last, but tough people do. We in Michigan have been tested, and we are tough. Together, I know we'll beat this damn virus and rebuild our economy and our communities back stronger than ever before.